Someone who speaks while sleeping is called.
Somniloquist.
A person who grinds teeth during sleep is called.
Bruxer.
A person who can't control their sleep is called.
Narcoleptic.
That repeats again and again over time is called.
Recurring dream.
A dream that feels extremely real and detailed is called.
Vivid dream.
A dream where you know that you are dreaming is called.
Lucid dream.
A person who sells flowers is called.
Florist.
A person who sells meat is called.
Butcher.
A person who makes clothes is called.
Tailor.
Of crowds is called.
Demophobia.
Fear of spiders is called.
Arachnophobia.
Fear of death is called.
Thanatophobia.
Person who believes people are selfish is called.
Cynical.
A person who is in a bad mood and gets angry very quickly is called.
Peevish.
A person who wants revenge is called.
Vindictive.
I am a hustler.
It means I work very hard and always try to achieve my goals.
I am a teetotaler.
It means I do not drink alcohol at all.
Don't sass me.
It means don't talk back to me rudely.
Instead of saying, he is jobless, say,
He is between jobs.
he died.
He passed away.
She is pregnant.
She is expecting.
She is old.
She is elderly.
He is poor.
He is underprivileged.
Someone who speaks while sleeping is called.
Somniloquist.
A person who grinds teeth during sleep is called.
Bruxer.
A person who can't control their sleep is called.
Narcoleptic.